Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Level 4, today is your social studies class and this is your new social studies book. So let's open the first chapter. The name of the first chapter is The Universe and the Solar System. The universe. Let's read and know what is written in what do we know about universe. The universe consists of billions of galaxies and a lot of empty space. No one knows how big the universe is. One of these billions of galaxies in the universe is our galaxy called the Milky Way. It contains our solar system along with billions of stars. Okay, what is the universe and what is the solar system? So, they are explaining you here. यूनिवर्स के बारे में व्हाट आर दे टेलिंग? दे आर टेलिंग दैट यूनिवर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ बिलियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सीज. ठीक है, इसमें बहुत गैलेक्सीज हैं, बिलियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सीज हैं. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ एम्प्टी स्पेस. एम्प्टी स्पेस मीन्स खाली स्पेस. नो वन नोज, किसी को नहीं मालूम हाउ बिग द यूनिवर्स इज़. वन ऑफ द बिलियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सीज इन द यूनिवर्स इज़ आवर गैलेक्सी. और हमारी गैलेक्सी उन बिलियन गैलेक्सीज में से एक गैलेक्सी है. और हमारी जिधर हम रहते हैं इस गैलेक्सी का नेम है मिल्की वे. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ सोलर सिस्टम अलॉन्ग विद बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स. और हमारी गैलेक्सी में क्या है? एक सोलर सिस्टम है और देयर आर बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स इन दैट सोलर सिस्टम. सो व्हाट इज़ द सोलर सिस्टम? Our solar system contains the sun, 8 planets, many moons, asteroids and meteoroids. So you can see over here, this is our solar system and there are orbits. There is a sun in the center and these are the 8 planets. In our solar system, we have one sun, many moons and many asteroids, meteoroids and planets. Planet तो आपको पता है, Earth is a planet. And similarly there are other planets also. Asteroids and meteoroids are the parts of planets that have been जो planet से अलग हो चुके हैं. Sun. The sun is a big star. Sun भी एक star है. It is situated at the center. It is situated at the center of the solar system. It provides us heat and light. क्या देता है सन हमें? Heat and light to all the 8 planets. न सिर्फ अर्थ को but to all the 8 planets it provides heat and light. It is over 100 times bigger than the earth. ये अर्थ से कितना बड़ा है? 100 गुना, 100 times bigger than the earth. It is located at the distance of approximately 150 million kilometers from the earth. It is 150 million kilometers away from the earth, the moon. A moon is a smaller body with a planet. Moon found with a planet. Moon is smaller than sun. It is a satellite. So what is the meaning of satellite? Satellite means इसकी अपनी कोई रोशनी नहीं है. It takes the light it reflects the light that it receives from the sun. Most planets in the solar system have their own moons. So many planets, they have their own moons. Earth is the only planet with one moon. So the other planets have many moons, but our planet has only one moon. Some planets have over 60 moons, while some have none. So some planets have above 60 moons and some have none. उनके पास कोई भी moon नहीं है. Our moon is approximately 3,84,000 kilometers from the Earth. It rotates around the earth while rotating on its own axis. So, our planet, the earth, it rotates around the sun, but the moon rotates around the planet, our planet. The moon has no light of its own. The light that we see is the reflection of sunlight on it. So, you can see that moon is shining, moon is bright, okay? But the light of the moon is not of its own, it is the reflection of the sunlight. American astronaut landed on the moon in 1969. They discovered only mountains, craters and flat plains and did not find any water or oxygen on the moon. So some scientists, they went on the moon and they discovered that there is no oxygen and no water on the moon. So moon में ना पानी है ना oxygen है. Okay students, today we are going to do till the moon. In the next class we will be reading about the earth. Thank you.